Hello from the American Muscle Car Museum in sunny Melbourne, Florida. Today we have one of the 7 Chevelles out from the collection in a 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is a COPO 300 SS. This is one of the 124 L78 cars that were nicknamed the Rejects. How did they come up with that name? In 1968, the NHRA, or the National Hot Rod Association, delegated these cars to specific classes as the new model years come out. They felt the Post cars had an advantage over the non-Post cars, and these were selected for the sedan wagon class, in a sense rejected a class down. That's where the nickname Rejects come from. Exterior color in Hugger Orange, that was code 7272. Also along with that, this come with the L78 396 375 horse. The internals on this car: 11:1 compression, solid lifter cam, high flow rectangle port heads, the aluminum high rise, and the 4150 Holly. Also part of the COPO package, you can see it has increased cooling capacity and a larger radiator. The transmission in our particular car is a Muncie M21 manual 4-speed, Hurst shifted, and this goes into a 12-bolt positive traction with a 4:10 final drive ratio. As we come to the wheels, we have the Magnum 500, and this car has the Goodyear Polyglass E7014 tires on it. The interiors on these cars were sparse, but just what you needed to have. These were the basic black vinyl, bench seat, also nicknamed the taxi cab option. These also had the black vinyl floor mats. As you come to the gauges, sparse but easy to read, with a 3-spoke steering wheel. This has less than 8,600 original miles on it. It's also been a magazine feature car, and this has received a concourse level frame-off restoration. This car, along with all the other cars in the collection, is kept in running and driving condition. We had this out today for a photo and video project. More information on this one and all the other cars in the collection, please visit our website at AmericanMuscleCarMuseum.com, and thank you for watching.